Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sunflower model, as I've been assigned by my school to make a sunflower model. Not really a sunflower model, actually, like we have to make a decoration for our school, and I've decided to make a sunflower model. So if you need to use this in your own projects, and then you can follow this step by step. I've used real clay, pots, paper, and bamboo sticks and thermocol balls. So, let's begin. I hope you enjoyed this video. It would mean a lot to me if you subscribed, liked, and gave us a follow on our Facebook page so you can find a solution to all your school project problems. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.